join my senior colleague, Mr. Mazhar Hussain, Regional Manager, Corporate Communications, to welcome you all to this press meet on the occasion of the 58th anniversary of the Life Insurance Corporation of India. It is a privilege that we have been benefiting from the trust among our people. The Life Insurance Corporation has grown year on year, and today we are proud to inform you that we have more than 30 crore customers, and we look forward to serving our customers, ensuring more people, giving them the quality of services at their doorsteps, and ensuring that all the policy settlements are made to them on time, every time. And in that, I pledge on behalf of my entire team in the South Central Zone our assurance to our customers that we will always live up to their expectations. Friends, I would like to inform you that the South Central Zone comprises of the three states of Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. In these three states, the performance of our new business in particular has been very good year on year. Last year, the zone collectively completed new business of 52 lakh policies, over 52 lakh policies, for a premium income of 4,300 crores. This has been a very good performance by every benchmark. And this year also, we have a budget of 56 lakh 35,000 policies for a premium target of 4,850 crores. And we are very confident that we will continue to have the trust of our people. We will have our marketing channels, our agents, our development officers, our channel partners enthusiastically working alongside to ensure that all the people are covered as early as possible, but primarily we would be looking to surpassing our budgets in a fair manner. And we also would like to take this opportunity to inform the members of the press and the media that to celebrate our anniversary today, we have also launched a new product, Jeevan Shagun. You must have possibly seen some advertisements of the new product that we have launched. We will be giving you the details of the plan very soon. Friends, ultimately, as we always have believed in the Life Insurance Corporation, it is not merely selling a new policy to a customer. Our belief is that the moment of truth of every sale comes up when a policy payment falls due. Claim settlement is the touchstone of our ability to deliver services to our customer. And in this area, friends, with great humility, I must place before you that the Life Insurance Corporation has been setting benchmark after benchmark. Last year, the number of claims settled, this is the number, absolute number of policies under which claims were settled, was a mind-boggling 259 lakh numbers of claims. 2 crore 59 lakh claims were settled during the year by the corporation. In the South Central Zone, we had also contributed to the performance of the corporation, and we had at the zonal level also settled large numbers of claims. We had settled 30.54 lakh numbers of claims in the states of Andhra, Telangana and Karnataka. The maturity claim, as you understand, comes under two small categories. One is the periodic survival benefits under a money back type of plan, and then the final maturity claim that we settled. Last year, this zone alone settled under 8,170 crores, the maturity claim on 30.54 lakh policies. Death claim also is an important benchmark for our assessment of our own performance. Last year, this zone had 1.44 lakh claim intimations, which we settled for an amount of 1,240 crores. When we look at our own performance, we realize that under the maturity claim, we have settled 99.4% of the claims that had fallen due, and 99.53 under maturity and 99.4 under death claim. Now we actually look to the remaining, because settle the claim is okay, good. But I would like to inform the members of the press and the media, and through you, your readers and your viewers, that we have taken every effort to reach out to all our customers whose policy claims fall due. We have a system of sending intimations to their last known address, and we do follow up to the last known residential address through our agents, our branch officials. We endeavored to do it, but those remaining claims we could not settle. But the fact that we could not do it on the due date does not mean that's the end of it. We continue to endeavor to search for these customers so that we can settle them their natural due.